Hello and welcome to Greeting Star. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have a beautiful Christmas card for you that we'll be making from start to finish today. Today we're going to be making this beautiful card. It's a Christmas card and it's a top folding card, so it folds on the top right there, as you can see. We'll be using two different stamp sets. One is from Hero Arts, and it's this Hero Arts stamp set right here. It's CL887, so it's the clear stamp set 887. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, that should help you a little. And I'll have all the products linked down below the video. And this is a gingham stamp by Kaisercraft. It's texture stamp gingham CS190. Fisker's large paper trimmer. Let me zoom up so you can kind of get a better view of it. This allows me to trim larger pieces of paper. So I can trim this at 4.5. No, I'm sorry, 4.25. Okay, so here I have my two pieces of paper. So now I'm going to have two card bases. I'm going to use my paper Martha Stewart scoring board to score these at 5.5. And then you always want to fold like that so that the inside of the card has the bump and the outside of the card doesn't. And I might as well score this one while I'm at it, even though I'm not going to use it today. So there we go. We will also need a 3x5 index card. This is a blank index card that I'm going to use. And then also, we're going to trim this card here. This is a Coordinations paper cardstock. It's pretty lightweight. I would say probably 65 or under pounds. It came in this premium cardstock, 8.5 by 11. It's called Tickled Pink Coordinations. And I'm just going to trim that to 4 by 5.25. And that way we can put our paper on there and it will be just like that. We'll stamp our snowflakes down the side. So we've got our top folding card, which I need to go ahead and use my bone folder to crease that. Okay, so that's what that's going to look like. And I've got to stamp my Kaisercraft Gingham texture stamp and then my tree with all the little ornaments. So pretty quick and easy card actually if you use the index card, and then you just trim this again to 4 inches by 5.25. I'm going to take my Kaisercraft stamp out of its package. Because I absolutely want to make sure that I get it correct. And I would say you want 1, 2, 3, and a little bit of the 4th line. That's what I would do. So these vertical lines here, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit of the 4th one, not the entire thing. Okay, and I'm going to be using some Memento Angel Pink. This is a color layering set, and you can use different colors of inks. So we're going to start with the most solid stamp first. Danube blue. Alrighty, now to finish off, I'm going to use my Sakura Glaze pens so that the ornaments will show better. And then I'm also going to use one of my Uniball Signo markers. Ballpoint, sorry.